Alright, welcome back. So, another one showed up in my yard. Don't ask me how it happened. It's a Facebook Marketplace strikes again. Anyway, so today we're going to be getting this put back together. The story on it is that somebody was towing it behind a motorhome, and they added in gear, so it blew the engine up. But it's a good looking tracker. It's a 91, in pretty good shape. I'm pretty excited about it. So anyway, it was an 8 valve. It was a 91 8 valve that they're towing behind a motorhome, blew it up, and the guy I bought it from disassembled it. Anyway, so I got lots and lots of parts here. I have the head for it. So he disassembled it and threw the block away because it was a giant hole in it. Anyway, and so we're putting this back together. Hopefully I have all the parts. I might have some throttle body parts that I'm missing because for some reason the guy I bought it from took that apart. Don't know why. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna put this back together. So I bought a 16 valve engine and I pulled the head off it. I'm selling the head separately to another guy in the area who's got one. And yeah, I'm gonna put the 8 valve head on a 16 valve bottom end. But before we do that, we gotta pressure wash it. So I'm gonna pull this forward. I'm gonna pull my other stuff out. We're gonna wash inside the engine bay of this, and pull the engine block outside. We're gonna get that washed, and then we're gonna start putting motor together. Yeah, and slide it in. So it's exciting. In case you're wondering, that project's coming up, so stay tuned for that one. All right, here you go. Hook it on there. Nope, just push it on. Here, no. You down here. There you go. Okay, get out of the way. Okay, we got it all washed up. Looking pretty clean. Missed a few spots, but it's looking pretty good. This stuff right here, easy off. That heavy duty, that stuff works. I really like using it. Inside here, got that pretty clean. I didn't get everything off, but could have if I spent a lot more time, but I didn't. So we're gonna take this engine, pack it back in the shop, garage, whatever, and start putting her together. Engine block mostly cleaned up. It's good enough for its 4. I got the head all cleaned up. Got the surfaces clean. See, nice and clean. And got the transmission over there cleaned up. So we're ready to put the head on this engine. I know I've told you this in a previous video, but something you got to pay attention to if you're putting a head gasket on these trackers is there's a hole right here. This is on the timing belt end of the engine. There's a little hole right here. That's an oil hole. That if you don't line this gasket up with that, you'll blow your motor up immediately. Because if you can flip it over, the holes mostly line up. That one doesn't. You can flip it over the other way. Most things line up. That one doesn't. Only one way this head gasket goes on. See that oil hole right there? That's what you gotta have lined up. So this is a 16 valve bottom end. I'm putting an 8 valve head on it. You can do that. They say it turns it into an interference motor, so I'm gonna be very careful about that. I think it has to do with the way these pistons are dished and cupped, but we'll see. So we're gonna slap the head on here, try to get the gasket nice and centered up, and plop the head on. So here we go. All right, head's plopped down. Now I gotta get our head bolts and get those ready to get put in there. Come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Torqued. Whew. Fun. All right, so for today's video, that's about all I'm gonna get done. I'm still waiting for parts, so to be able to finish the whole project. I think I'm gonna change the way I'm doing videos a little bit. Typically I like to start and finish a project in one video. I think a lot of people like to see that, but the problem is if I do that, it takes me a long time to get videos together, and I wanna get a video up every week. So that's it for this video. Next video you see, you're gonna, next video, that tracker, that white tracker, is gonna be running and driving. So I'm still waiting for a few parts to get it on the road. So keep your eye out for that. I got a lot of upcoming projects. Like I said, I got that Toyota project coming up. Let's see, I need to do some more Sunbeam work. Yeah, lots of cool stuff coming up, but again, bear with me. It's what I can do. I haven't posted a video for like 2 weeks. I need to post a video. I'm trying to post a video every week. So this is gonna be the way I do it in order to get a video every week. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.